Morning routine. David wakes up at exactly 6:30 a.m. every single weekday morning without fail. First thing after waking up, he carefully brushes his teeth for 2 full minutes using his electric toothbrush. After brushing, he enjoys a refreshing 5-minute shower with warm water. For breakfast, he always prepares 2 slices of whole wheat toast covered with a generous layer of creamy peanut butter. Once he finishes eating, he selects his professional office clothes, usually a crisp button-down shirt and dress pants, and gets fully dressed. Finally, he grabs his car keys, walks to his parked vehicle, and drives about 20 minutes to reach his workplace. Let's practice. Answer these simple questions. When does David wake up? At exactly 6:30 a.m. Is this his weekend routine? No, it's his weekday routine. What does David do first after waking up? He brushes his teeth. How long does he brush his teeth? 4. 2 full minutes. What kind of toothbrush does he use? An electric toothbrush? What does he do after brushing? He takes a shower. How long is his shower? 5 minutes. Is his shower cold or warm? It's warm. What does David eat for breakfast? 2 slices of whole wheat toast with peanut butter. How much peanut butter does he use? A generous layer? What kind of peanut butter does he use? Creamy peanut butter. What does David wear to work? Office clothes, button-down shirt, and dress pants. How does David go to work? He drives. How long does it take to reach work? About 20 minutes. Where is his car parked? We don't know exactly. Maybe at home. Does David prepare breakfast quickly? Story doesn't say how fast he prepares it. Does David always follow this routine? Yes, without fail. What time does David leave for work? The story doesn't say the exact time.
Behind every video is a person who cares. If you feel that, please subscribe. I'll be grateful.